Most pressure washing businesses don't fail because of competition. They fail because they guess their prices, and guessing is expensive. Today I'm giving you a pricing formula you can use in any city that removes emotion and replaces it with math. The real pricing problem. New operators usually copy their competitors. One company charges $150, so they charge $140. Another charges $120, so they go to $100. That race to the bottom doesn't build a business, it builds burnout. Your price has to pay for more than gas and soap. It has to pay for time, overhead, and growth. Here's the base rate formula. This formula works whether you clean driveways, houses, or commercial lots. Here it is, your hourly goal times. Job time plus operating cost equals your price. Let's plug in realistic numbers. Hourly income goal, $75 per hour. Average driveway, job time, 1 hour fuel, chemicals, wear and tear, $15.75 times 1 plus 15 equals $90 minimum. If you charge less than that, you are paying customers to work. Now let's refine it so you don't undercharge large properties. Here's the simple rule. Under 1,000 square feet, $90 to $120. 1,000 to 2,500 square feet, $140 to $220. Over 2,500 square feet, 0.15 to 0.25 per square foot. Example, 3,000 square foot driveway times 0.20 equals $600. That's not expensive, that's profitable. The route efficiency rule. Here's how professionals beat part-timers. Never price one-off jobs the same as route work. If you clean 5 houses in the same neighborhood, you save drive time, you save setup time, you increase hourly income. So you offer a route discount, not because you're cheap, but because you're efficient. Now for the AI quote system. This is where most people stay stuck in manual mode. Instead, you use automation. Your system. Customer submits address. AI calculates square footage. Price is generated instantly. Quote is sent without you touching your phone. Now you're not guessing. Your system is. Why this formula never fails? Because it protects your 3 biggest assets. Your time, your equipment, your future income. Every price is calculated. Every job is profitable. No emotion, just math. If you want more breakdowns like this, pricing, routes, and the systems that run them, subscribe to Service Business Breakdown. Boring businesses don't fail. Unprofitable ones do.